Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Today we will discuss the answers of exercise number B of page number 79. Take out your English grammar book, come to page number 79, active passive chapter. So exercise number B, the question is like this. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in simple present tense. The first one has been done for you. So the first one is like this. Hindi is spoken all over North India. The second one is dengue is sprayed by mosquitoes because sprayed remains same. It does not get altered. It remains same for present, past and past participle. Spread. So dengue is sprayed by mosquitoes. Number 3, the guests are received warmly by the organizers. The guests are, because it is plural, that's why we have to take are, and the past participle form of receive is received. Number 4, the market is closed due to disturbance in the area. The market is closed. Come to exercise number C. Rewrite these sentences in passive voice. The first one has been done for you. Mother always keeps my uniform clean. So my uniform is always kept clean by mother. Number 2, he waters the plants every day. So what will be the answer? In the passive form it will be the plants are watered by him every day. I repeat, the plants are watered by him every day. Active passive, you can see that so many exercises are there. It's quite tough to erase and write. So I am saying you just listen and you write, or better you check why you will write. I have already asked you to complete the exercise. Now it's your turn, or it's your time to check your answer whether it is matching with mine or not. So number 2, the answer will be the plants are watered by him every day. Number 3, a librarian issues books. So books are issued by a librarian. Books are issued by a librarian. Number 4, everyone likes a friendly person. So the answer will be a friendly person is liked by everyone. A friendly person is liked by everyone. Okay, now exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with passive form of verbs in the present continuous tense. The first one has been done for you. Number 1, the door is being painted by Rita. So number 2, yoga classes are being conducted by an expert. Yoga classes plural, so that's why you have to take are, then being, and the past participle form of the verb conducted. So yoga classes are being conducted by an expert. Number 3, his trip is being sponsored by a well-known company. His trip is being sponsored by a well-known company. Number 4, all the ingredients are being mixed in a bowl. All the ingredients are being mixed in a bowl. Come to the next page. Exercise number E. Change the following sentences to passive voice. The first one has been done for you. A policeman is chasing the thieves. The thieves are being chased by a policeman. So the next one, the principal is giving a presentation. So here the object is a presentation, so it will become the subject here. The presentation is being given by the principal. Remember to write the P of principal capital. A presentation is being given by the principal. Rita is painting a portrait. A portrait is being painted by Rita. A portrait is being painted by Rita. Number 4, Arun is cleaning the window. The answer is the window is being cleaned by Arun. The window is being cleaned by Arun. So children, we have completed this part, and in our next class we will come to this portion, present perfect tense. How to change the present perfect tense. Okay. So It's all for today. Meet you again in another video. Till then, carry on with your studies, sitting safely at home and following our YouTube classes and following the e-portal. Okay, bye.